Hey brand owners, looking to boost your reach through influencer marketing without the headache? Welcome to Climax Collabs, your all-in-one platform to launch, manage and track influencer campaigns seamlessly. This quick demo is for you, the brands. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in with brand credentials. Use your registered email and password to access the dashboard. Step 2. Build a campaign. In the campaign section, click on Build Campaign. There are 7 steps to create a campaign. Choose the social media channel you want to target. Select the type of post required by the brand, for example, story, post, reel. Specify the number of posts needed. Describe the campaign, add a title and description. List the tasks and provide a valid promotional link. Set your budget for the campaign. Select the campaign duration, that is the period for which you wish to hire an influencer. Specify the number of influencers you want to collaborate with. You can browse all available influencers. If none are available, you may proceed without assigning one. While building the campaign, you may also receive requests from influencers interested in applying. Once completed, your campaign will be created successfully. Step 3. Hire an influencer. Click on Browse Influencers and then invite the influencer you want to hire. Navigate to the campaign section and wait for the offer acceptance. Also, you can hire from the chat. Once an influencer is invited or applies and is hired for the campaign, you can proceed to the next steps of collaboration. Step 4. Create a milestone. Go to the Payments section inside the campaign and click on Create Milestone. Add a description of the milestone and specify the amount. Click Confirm and the Stripe payment page will open. Enter your email and card details. Click Pay and congratulations, your milestone has been created. The influencer can also request a milestone once their work is complete. The brand can review the work and release the payment accordingly. If the brand is not satisfied with the influencer's work, they can raise a dispute or vice versa directly on the created milestone. This will pause the payment and allow the Climax Collab support team to mediate and help resolve the issue. Step 5. Monitor engagement and release payments. Before releasing or requesting a milestone, brands can view influencer engagements, campaign analytics via the Engagement tab. Once satisfied with the performance, go to Payments, click Release to release the milestone amount to the influencer. You can also drop a message to notify the influencer of the release. Step 6. Payment withdrawal. The brand can withdraw remaining campaign funds by connecting their PayPal account under the Withdraw section. Step 7. Complete campaign and leave a review. Once all work is finished and the campaign is complete, the brand can either end the contract or mark the campaign as complete. After the contract ends, the brand can leave a review for the influencer. All communication from hiring to payment remains available in the conversation thread. That's how simple and structured your influencer collaborations can be with Climax Collabs. Ready to launch your first campaign? Log in now and start collaborating with the right creators today. Need help? Our team is always here to support you.